Hi, my name is Ali and I'm here with cute Alicorns. Today we're going to be making cookies and cream ice cream. Today I have a special guest, Danielle. The ingredients you need are 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 cups of sugar,
a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, a cookies and cream crush, and a mixing bowl.
You will also need an ice cream maker. In a mixing bowl, you are going to want to combine all of the ingredients except for the cookies.
Now we're gonna pour our ice cream mix into the ice cream maker.
Now we are going to turn on our ice cream maker on ice cream mode.
For 25 minutes.
It has been 20 minutes. We are going to put in our Oreo cookies in the ice cream maker.
You can use any types of treats. You can use other types of cookies, fruits, and chocolate.
For 25 minutes, our ice cream is very soft.
If you want your ice cream to be hard, you're gonna put it in the freezer for up to 3 to 4 hours.
We have left our ice cream overnight in the freezer.
It should be hard.
It's really good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Cute Alicorns. Also, you will need an ice cream maker.
1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, cookies and cream crush, and a mixing bowl.
You will also need an ice cream maker. The ingredients you'll need,
Oh my god. Now we're gonna pour our ice cream mixer into the ice cream bag.
This 25 minutes, no. For 25 minutes,